Hey, what's up guys? Superfit Samson is here, and today we have a nice unboxing video to you guys with a dash cam. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're back. Alright, so I don't have any knife with me, so I'm going to use my key. Pull this box right now. So I'm not sure what is inside as yet. Okay. Alright. Oh, this is it. Alright guys, so this is my dash cam. It's a three-way dash cam, guys. So the name is rayfoto. Rayfoto is like a Chinese name, I don't know. Maybe it's a Chinese name. So it's a 3-channel. So it's a 3-channel 4K dash cam, right? 3-channel 4K dash cam. And so the features of this dash cam is now. Alright, so the features, guys. So it's 4K Ultra HD. You know, so it's a 415 Sony sensor, 8 million pixels, and it can go max 250 gigabytes. Alright guys, so it can go up to max 250 gigabytes. Okay, so it have a 3 camera. Camera to the front, a next camera showing inside, and a next camera show from the back. Alright, so the one on the back, it can go near the license plate or on the windshield. Alright, so it have like a night vision thing with it. So night vision, so meaning it can see very clear at night. No matter what time it is, you can see clear, very clear at night. You can see any license plate and make out any vehicle at night. So if you park up and somebody else lick your car in the night and drive gone, it records the license plate with you. Alright, so built-in Wi-Fi. So built-in Wi-Fi, the purpose of that now is like, say, if you want to see a live feed, in order to see a live feed, you have to have like a Wi-Fi, the Wi-Fi in the vehicle, and then now you can go home and look on the app, and then see a live feed what's going on to the front, inside, and the back of the vehicle. Alright, so it have a built-in Wi-Fi. Alright, so GPS now, anywhere at all the car go in the world you can know. So basically is that anywhere at all the car go you can know to the GPS. Then the parking sensor. Well, parking sensor actually the same thing. When you park and somebody lick it, you know, it does start record. That's basically the same thing. The G sensor is a sensor like when somebody lick it, it turn on automatically. So the camera is not always running when you're parking, so it turn off by itself. And then when something like some motion, it take like some motion impact. And loop recording, so as we said, it can go up to 256 gig. So when it actually full, it actually start record back over again. It delete the old file and then start all over again. So that's loop recording. Alright, so finally we're done with all of that now, so let's see what's inside. Oh. Alright, so smells good. Alright, so what is this? Oh, this over. Oh guys, these are the dash cam. So these are the dash cam. Look good, man. Alright, so this is the dash cam. Alright, so look back on this, right? Look what else in the bag. In the box, I should say, first. We go back to that. What's here? Some underneath. What? A sponge underneath sponge. Okay. Alright, so 2 sponge. It look like everything in this big old box here. Alright, so pull that box. Oh, okay, so this is the user manual. I need to read that. I'm smart enough can figure out everything. Oh, alright, so basically this is like a protective shield for the glass to put on the dash cam. So say for example, you don't want when you stick on the dash cam on the windshield and you want to take it off, it not damage anything on the windshield. So you stick this on the windshield, clean off the surface. You stick this on the windshield, then after you stick this on the windshield, then now you put the dash cam on it. When you want to take it off, it's much easier. All you do, you peel off this and the dash cam come off. That's all you do. That's the purpose for this. And get 2 with it too. You get 2 with it. Alright, so I'm gonna put this to the side here. So alright, we'll go back to this now. So the box. This box. Which side it pulled from? Oh, well, put it from that side here. Alright, so in the box. Alright, so this going to the cigarette lighter. I'm assuming that, yeah, it's going to the cigarette lighter, yeah. So let's pull it and see. So it goes in the cigarette lighter, plug this in the cigarette lighter, and this in plug into the dash cam. So the reason why they make it so long too is because of when you're going to connect, run the wires, the wire is going to run from the top. And when you run from the top, so you run the wire from the glass, cut from the top to the top of the vehicle, then run it from the side to the arm right there, go right down, and then come from the bottom part, then come right up and plug this in. So that's why they make it so long. Alright, so let me just put this back in here. So let's see what else come with it. This one now. Oh yeah, so this look like, well, let me make certain. Alright, yeah, look like it. So this look like the back part now. So this, see, you notice how the wire long? So the main dash cam, I think, is this. This is supposed to connect. Let me see which part. Oh, alright, you see it now. So it's supposed to connect right here on the dash cam. Okay, see there. So it's supposed to connect. So the dash cam face like this. And it's supposed to connect up to the top same way, right on the roof of the vehicle. And then run towards the side of the roof to the back. While this is on the windshield. So it's not to record everything on the windshield. Yeah, so basically is that. What else is in there? Oh, you get an extra sticker too. So this up for the, alright, it's like what you have here. This is actually when this mess up, you're gonna need an extra one. So then just put in an extra one and if this mess up, you just change it. Click that on. Alright, and oh, alright, so this is the next one that show inside. You can't even move too, you know. See there? Yeah, move. So you pull. Oh, these are no fingernail. Alright, we use my car key. So you pull. Oh. Ah, Jesus. I don't know how to pull this thing here. Take time with me, guys. I don't have any finger here. Alright, so there I pull it out. So you pull this. Alright, so when you pull this now, this look, yeah, oh, see it here now. So you push it here. What? Nice. So, see there? So it basically like this now. Yeah, that's how it works. So you stick this. Oh, where the next part? There's supposed to be a next part where you stick on the windshield. So this is the next part. Oh, all right. All right. So this part, all right. This area here, this having the GPS, the built-in GPS in it, right? So let me see. It's supposed to click on it here. What a magnet! I mean, not even push it on, just draw it. Alright, so this is it. So this part show inside, this part show outside, and this part show run at the back. You stick it on the windshield like that, and yeah, I think it's that. Yeah, stick it on the windshield like that, and then you put in a memory card in here. The memory card go right here. Right here. Yeah, and basically that look like a hit. Oh no, that's not it, you know. We have more things in the bag here. So alright, so oh yeah, this is an extra sticker for the back or the front, one of them place there. Oh, that one here for the front here. And this one here for the back here. Then put an extra in there. And then then give you all 32 gigs of memory card, even though that's small, but don't worry about that. Can use same memory card. Remember, so it's going to delete the old file and put in a new one then. Alright, so memory card, then get to that. And this part. Okay, so this is the next part now. So in order to run the wires them neatly up towards the roof, this now, what this basically do, you just run the wires them on the windshield and stick. You stick this on the windshield. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. And run the wires them in it like this. So you run the wires them in it like this and lock this down. You lock this down. Alright? You lock this down now. Yeah, it's basically done there. So just run right up. Alright, so I guess that's basically it, guys. I'm going to make a next video because it's actually going on my truck. I'm going to make a next video showing you guys how it looked on the truck. I actually bought this for my truck. I bought the next one already. I should make a review on that. And this is a newer one. Yeah, so it's nice, guys. I like it. Hopefully it no freeze up or anything. So when I put it on the truck and everything, I'm going to show you guys if you want to see that next video. Alright, guys, so like, share the video, guys. If you want more videos like this, write it in the comments because I have a lot more things coming in. I spend a lot of money on Amazon. There's a lot of things I did not review, but I just review 1 and 2 things, you know. But if you want more videos like this, like, share, and subscribe. Peace. I'm out. Alright, let me see.